Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and another video related to research proposal. If you are trying to draft a research proposal for any of the university, it could be any of the programs, but I would like to bullet down in this video 5 important bullet points that you must consider while drafting a research proposal. So without wasting time, let's start the video. The first important point is introduction. Introduction, it must give you an overall summary. What is your research proposal looks like? What are your main goal for achieving that? So an introduction must be kind of a summary which provides an outline and also an overall view. After reading introduction, the reader must get in which direction your research is approaching. So, introduction is a key point and opening point to start your research proposal. So, do spend some more little time on introduction. The second important thing is literature review. This is important because you have to justify why your research is different. Why there has been no research carried out in this section, in this area, and how it is different from one which you have proposed. You must be able to justify with the relevant references or literature survey which are helpful to draw some conclusions around this area. So remember, literature review is second important thing in your proposal. Next, third important thing is aims and objectives. We have covered some of the aim and objective part in introduction, but still you have to specify something very content specific aims and objectives. What is you trying to aim? What is the primary aim of your research proposal looks like? It could be very short in 7 to 8 lines or in some 3 to 4 bullet points, but it has to be there because it gives a more clarity for the reviewer to understand your proposal. Next, fourth, design methods and tools. In this, you have to cover everything. What are the steps? What are the phases? How's the data collection? What are the important methods, algorithms that you are going to cover or that you're going to apply or implement in this proposal? So make sure you sub down point for each of the things around methods, techniques, algorithms, data connection, data analysis. Put down everything in this area. The last but not the least, that is budget. Every proposal needs to be satisfied for the budget proposal. So first thing you must check for how much budget you are going to draft your research proposal. Be clear with that money specifications. And you also have to mention, for example, if you are writing the proposal for 2 years, it must break down the entire 2 years of your description. How many researchers would be working, what are the equipment, what are the stationery, what are the contingency, what are the travel, what is the proceedings, conferences that you're going to target in this proposal. So make sure you draft each and everything for 2 years in this budget section. The more you are clear on each and every specific item, it will be helpful for you to write your proposal and more chances to win the proposal too. So these are my 5 bullet points which you must consider while drafting a research proposal. I'll be considering step by step each point in detail, so to give you a view how it would be more concentrating on a particular topic, what the introduction, what the aim and objective, what could be the method section look like. So stay tuned with me and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.